زۆر سپاس بۆ ئەم قوتابیە سەرکەوتوانە. بەڵێ بەڕێزان، ئێستاش کۆمەڵێک لە قوتابی بەهرەمەند شانۆیەکمان پێشکەش دەکەن بە چەپڵەکانتان.
Computers? Oh, dear Nicholas, you simply cannot trust them. They're like overly polite neighbors, always smiling, but secretly judging your spelling mistakes.
Well, if I had to choose between walking and being judged, I'd pick the judgment.
You're missing the point, my friend. Libraries hold the essence of humanity, the smell of old books, the whispers of history, waiting to be uncovered. Besides, the exercise will do you great. You're starting to resemble a sofa cushion.
And you're starting to resemble someone auditioning for Shakespeare in the park. Careful, Daniel! You might take someone's eye out with a dangerous historian. How poetic.
Dangerous? Me? No, dear friend. The only danger here is you falling asleep while I try to enlighten you with my unparalleled knowledge.
After you, Daniel, into the vaults of wisdom.
Why, thank you, good sir. I shall lead us into the treasure trove of humanity's brilliance.
Treasure trove? Indeed. Need a map to find the handle.
I do not require assistance, thank you. My brilliance simply needs time to shine.
You know, Daniel, I'm not seeing the magic you promised. Just a lot of dusty books.
Dust, dear Nicholas, is a sign of wisdom. These books have seen empires rise and fall.
Well, at this rate, I'll be joining the fallen empires, thanks to your dust attack.
Hey, Nick, look! The history of the Kurds.
The Kurds? Never heard of them. Are they like nomads or something?
Never heard of them? What? Do you live under a rock?
Well, maybe rocks don't have dust.
Sit down, dear friend. Class is in session. The Kurds, people of mountains and music, shepherds and warriors. They've existed since forever.
So they're like what? History's background characters?
Background characters? No, dear Nicholas. They're the unsung heroes. They've been quietly minding their own business while the rest of the world is playing tug of war over their lands.
Sounds exhausting.
It is, but it gets worse. Nick, have you ever heard of Halabja?
Halabja? No. Sounds like a type of tea anime.
No tea here, my friend. Halabja was the site of something horrific, something gruesome. The kind of tragedy that makes your heart ache. A lively town full of children running and playing, farmers working. And then in one moment, everything changed. Let me take you to 20 minutes before the bombings. Everything was perfect. Everything was normal. In the warm sun, farmers broke bread and share tomatoes before returning to the fields. Their hands, rough yet gentle, tilled the earth with patience. Farming was more than survival. It was tradition, love, and perseverance in every seed planted beneath the Kurdish skies.
برایانم سپاس بۆ خوازستانی ئەم ساڵ بارانایی باچی ترکات بە فیڕۆنە دەین تا کات ڕەنگی نەکردوە پێشینان بە جوانی گوتویانە کاری ئەمڕۆ مەخەسبەی ئیتر بە ناوی خوا با بەردەوام بێ.
Children's laughter floated across the air, pure and untouched by the heavy truths surrounding them. In their tiny hands, dolls created worlds where danger did not exist. Innocence was their shield, a fragile one, but beautiful nonetheless. In simple homes, family life moved in slow, familiar rhythms. The scent of tea, the soft clatter of sewing needles, and quiet radio static filled the rooms. Fathers, mothers, and children cherished these everyday moments, never knowing that they were living in the last quiet hours of their lives. From the streams, women returned with laughter and stories, their baskets heavy with water and herbs. Their chatter was light, but their hearts carried the invisible weight of countless generations. Strong women keeping life flowing, just like the river itself. In the town square, the grocer arranged his goods, calling out to passing neighbors. The old man came shuffling along, haggling gently over prices. A dance of familiarity. Life moved slowly here, rooted in trust, community, and the shared language of everyday needs. So, dear Nick, these people were innocent. They were minding their own business. When inevitably it happened.
كان حوارا دايك وبابانا دي سادرو خونو بدك وكجارك دنج جارانا وكديار بكر وكبالو كنجو وكاقري جشت وكمحبات وكبرزانا إيرو دي سال دشتا سليماني لكي لكا هندري الباجاري حلبشي فرمانا مكردانا فرمانا 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 دي ساحات قرانت زاروك وزيك تبدايك وبابانا هوار 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 لما فرمانا فرمانا لمنا يا
دواکێ بە ئەسپایی گوێ لە ناڵەی دەرسوتاوی دایەت بگرێت بچکۆڵەکەی دایە نازدارەکەم تکایە هەڵسەوە تکایە هەڵسەوە تەنها ئەم جارە بە دەنگە زواڵەکەت بانگم بکە دایەگیان دایەگیان تەنها ئەو جارە هەڵسەرەوە بەڵێن بێت دانە بە دانە تاڵەکانی قژت بە دڵم بهۆنمەوە هەڵەبجە چواردەی مانگ بوو لەسەر گۆیژە با قەڵەمەکەی فڕاندم کە دۆزیمەوە و پێم نووسی پۆل پۆل فڕین وشەکانم 15 مانگ بوو سیروان قەلەمەکەی بردم وەختێ گرتمەوە و پێم نووسی بوون بە ماسی شێعرەکانم 16 مانگ بوو ئاخ 16 مانگ شارە زوور قەلەمەکەی لێوەرگرتم وەختێ دایمەوە پێی بنووسم وەک هەڵەبجە وشک بوون پەنجەکانم ئاخ 16 مانگ ئاخ 16 مانگ ئاخ 16 مانگ